Welcome. Today, we're diving into how to add not just one, but two pronouns to your Pinterest profile. This is an updated guide, so it reflects the latest changes on the platform, making it super easy for you to express yourself and ensure others know exactly how to refer to you. Let's get started. First things first, open your Pinterest app on your phone. Once you're in, look for the saved icon at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it and then tap on your profile icon. This will take you straight to your Pinterest profile. Now that you're on your profile, you'll want to tap on the Edit Profile button. This is where you can tweak all sorts of information about yourself, including adding those all-important pronouns. Scroll down a bit and you should see a Pronouns section. Tap on it and a list of pronoun options will pop up. Here's the cool part. Pinterest lets you pick two pronouns, so go ahead and choose the two that best represent you. Pinterest offers a range of options, from the more traditional he, him, she, her, or they, them to others such as xe, them, or zir. Once you've selected your pronouns, tap Done at the top right corner of the screen. But wait, we're not quite finished yet. You'll be taken back to your Edit Profile screen. To finalize the changes, tap Done again. This ensures that your new pronouns are saved and visible on your profile. And that's it. You've successfully added two pronouns to your Pinterest profile. Now, when people visit your profile, they'll see your chosen pronouns right next to your username, making it clear how you prefer to be addressed. Adding pronouns is a simple but powerful way to promote inclusivity and respect on social media. It helps create a more welcoming environment for everyone and shows that you value accurate representation. Plus, it's a great way to support the LGBTQ+ community, which Pinterest actively does through various campaigns and features. Pinterest has seen a significant increase in interest in LGBTQ+ related content, with searches for pride flags and coming out celebrations on the rise. By adding pronouns, you're contributing to a more inclusive online space and helping others feel seen and understood. So, take a moment to update your profile and encourage your friends to do the same. It's a small step that can make a big difference. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.